If you love vegetables, then this is a great lesson for you. But even if you don't love vegetables, you should still learn how to say them in Spanish. So let's get started. Hi, I'm Jessica from Learning with Jessica Diaz, and today's lesson is all about vegetables. We're going to learn the words for carrot, bell pepper, onion, potato, and lettuce. Let's start with carrot. In Spanish, carrot is zanahoria. I know, it's a big word. Let's break it down. Zanahoria. Zanahoria. If you wanted to say I eat carrots, you would say yo como zanahorias. Our second word today is bell pepper. Pimiento. 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 If you wanted to say I eat bell peppers, you would say yo como pimientos. Our third word today is onion, cebolla. 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 If you wanted to say I eat onions, you would say yo como cebollas. Our fourth word is potato, which is papa. 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 Not to be confused with papa, which means father. If you wanted to say I eat potatoes, you would say yo como papas. Our last word today is lettuce, lechuga. 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 If you wanted to say I eat lettuce, you would say yo como lechuga. Now let's review those 5 vegetables. In Spanish, carrot is zanahoria. Bell pepper is pimiento. Onion is cebolla. Potato is papa. And lettuce is lechuga. Now let's test your vegetable knowledge. How would you say carrot in Spanish? Zanahoria. How would you say bell pepper in Spanish? Pimiento. How about onion? How would you say onion in Spanish? If you said cebolla, you're right. Next is potato. How would you say potato in Spanish? Papa. And last, how would you say lettuce in Spanish? Lechuga. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you use these videos to learn Spanish, please be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.